Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mary. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? How old are you? How old you marry? How old are you? Now you gotta tell me how old you are.
I'm 66, Mother.
Grandma's voice is so good.
2020.
97 years old singing like that.
Oh, I have such a beautiful voice,
What
Mother.
a blessing. Hello, you guys. Happy Sunday on this lovely March 22nd, 2020. Today is my mom's birthday, and I'm going to make her a cake. You guys, I will put the instructions down below. I'm just going to do this. I'm not going to be talking. It'll be music playing, and then at the end, we'll celebrate after the cake is all done. So you're going to see me bake it. You're going to see me make it, bake it. You're going to see me prepare it, bake it, and decorate it. Okay, so this is cutting short. I'm cutting short because went to the store to get some items, and y'all, lo and behold, they must be making birthday cakes this weekend, and so I had to opt out for this, the Duncan Hines perfectly moist devil foods cake, and we're going to doctor it up. That's what we call it. Okay, we're going to add these ingredients: Jello. We're going to add the sour cream, 4 eggs, and the oil. I don't have it on the table, and I'm going to put some miniature chocolate chips in here. We have the 2 9-inch pans here. I'm going to spray that with Pam because parchment paper for some reason is real popular right now. And I just have a little bit, and I don't have enough for the pan. So we're going to spray that. And that is Pam with baking flour in it already. Okay. And then we have her candles here because she's 66 and not ashamed. She thanks God for every year. We have our cake spinner here, our cake boards. We have our spatula, and we have our cake slicer. We have our frosting here. And we also have some sprinkles to go on top of the chocolate cake. And we have some cute little, we have some little, decorative parts to it. I forgot what you call them things. Y'all know what they're talking about. The little cake decorator things, yes. And these are Mommy's birthday cards that she got from some family members this week. And so you guys stay tuned for this angel. I'm not going to call it the devil. We're going to call it an angel food cake, known as the devil's food cake, formerly. All right, y'all. So stay tuned as we prepare this cake for Mommy's birthday. And please say happy birthday to Mommy below. She is so precious, and I thank God every single day for blessing me with such a wonderful mom. And I look forward to spending about, what, 34 more years with you?
Yeah, or more. And
34 or more years. 34 or more years with Mommy. I pray that for her. More health and prosperity in every way. Blessings and longevity. Her mom is 97 and she's still doing good. And my grandmother's mom did well too. So we're just hoping that continuous help passes down to her and to me as well. So you guys wish her a happy birthday, okay? So now let's go bake this cake. birthday cake is done, you guys. 66. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Mwah.
All right, you guys. So sorry, it got really hectic because I'm getting dinner and y'all, I had to hurry up and get this done. So you know how to frost it in between the cake. But yes, this is the done cake. Isn't it beautiful? Pretty. Happy birthday.
Oh, I love it because it looks so lovable
And homemade.
and homemade.
Mama on the phone with everybody and the candles halfway melted out. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Say a wish.
Okay.
Blow it. Yay! Happy birthday, mommy. God bless you.
Yes.
Milk. You want a nice piece, Mom?
Yeah, a nice piece.
Look how beautiful. That's the cake, you guys. Look how beautiful it looks. Absolutely delicious. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Yes, Lord.
Grandma, you sound so beautiful. 97 years old.
Yes, yes.
Grandma Laura sounds so good. Huh?
That is my favorite hymn. I
Yes.
love that hymn.
Yes, yes.
Father, I stretch my hands to thee.
I haven't heard it since.
Amen. That was so
Yes.
beautiful, Grandma.
So good, Grandma.
Amen.
Your voice sounds so good.
Yep, I know.
Yes.
If thou withdraw thyself from me, oh, whither shall I go? That's my favorite hymn. I like that, and then I like Amazing Grace. I like all them old hymns.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, those old hymns are beautiful.
Yeah, all those are good.
Mm-hmm. You sound so good, Grandma.
Y'all go to sleep now. I'm sleepy now.
Okay, you
Okay.
sound good, sleepy. We love you. Thank you for singing to us.